Hey guys, it's Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, and in today's video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing and first impressions review of the work from home kit from Poly. But first, before we get into this unboxing and review, remember, you're watching the #1 channel on YouTube on all things business phone systems and business internet service related tips, advice, and educational videos to help you make the best buying decisions when searching for new service for your business and maybe even save yourself a little money along the way. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our content and so that you're also notified when we upload and release new videos. Okay, so first and foremost, as always, big thank you to our contacts over at Poly for coordinating, sending this to us for review. And of course, as always, big thank you to our good old friends over at VoIP Supply for handling the shipping and logistics for getting this over to us safe and sound for review. So before we hop into this, just a little bit of a disclaimer. Poly has something that they call a work from home kit. If you Google it, you will notice that it comes in several different configurations based on what we could gather online. But the work from home kit typically includes a headset, and then also it includes some form of a Bluetooth style speakerphone that can connect to your computer to interface with, say, maybe your Microsoft Teams or your mobile app or your virtual meetings. And then it also includes a webcam of some sort to, handle the visual part of your meeting. So that is essentially what the Poly work from home kit is. So anyways, without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing and actually see what we've got in this kit. So let's go ahead and start with our smaller box here, which says that it is the Voyager Focus 2 headset. So for those of you who may or may not remember, we actually did a full in-depth unboxing and first impressions review of the Voyager Focus 2 Office, which is the Voyager Focus 2 headset, which you see here, but it's also got the base. But anyways, as you can see here, got the Voyager Focus 2 headset. As you can see, it looks like it is Microsoft Teams compatible. You've got your quick start guide here for the Voyager Focus 2 UC. You've got a USB cable, and then last but not least, you've got a little carrying case here. Okay, so moving on to our other box. This is the Poly Studio P5 kit with Sync 20. So let's see what we've got inside this box. Okay, so it looks like we've got a guide or something else. I don't know, maybe it's an advertisement. So this looks like this is our actual Sync 20, and it actually comes in a really nice carrying case here, but let's see what we've got here. Ooh, look at that, you guys. That is really nice. It's got a nice clothy feel to it on the speakerphone. Got the nice little Poly logo there. Take a look at the bottom of this. So it's got its USB cable that would connect to your computer or say to your actual phone. So here is an actual little tassel. Looks like you would put that right there, like so. Also inside the box is the webcam that I mentioned. So here is the actual webcam that comes with it. This also has a USB connector here, which I would assume is wireless for the actual Poly speaker. Just to backtrack a little bit, one thing that I totally missed is that the Voyager Focus 2 headset actually has its own little wireless USB connector as well. So while this thing may be Bluetooth and you can connect it to your computer Bluetooth, this also has the ability for you to connect with a wireless USB thing such as this. Let me go ahead and line all this up so you guys can see all the box contents of this particular configuration of the Poly work from home kit. So as always, going from left to right, we had our Poly Voyager Focus 2 UC headset here. We did have a quick start guide that was in there, so I'll go ahead and sit this here. Here is the wireless USB adapter to be able to have wireless with your Poly Focus headset here. Here is the actual webcam, which is the P5 that is part of this work from home kit. You've also got the Sync 20 here, speakerphone that we looked at before, which has its own USB cable. Here is the actual wireless USB adapter that goes with the Poly Sync 20. Here is the little tassel, or basically like the little handheld travel band, I guess you could call it, that would hook into here on your Sync 20. And then last but not least, here is the actual carrying case that came with this, which this thing actually fit into nice and snug. So now let's jump into some specifications of the actual headset, then the webcam, and then the Poly Sync 20. So the Poly Voyager Focus 2 headset combines comfort and outstanding performance. The Voyager Focus 2 headset has ultra noise cancellation technology with high-end microphones that create a focus zone for your voice so that all that is heard is on the other side of the call is your voice. The Poly Voyager Focus 2 Office headset features and specifications are UC Office headset, work wherever with Poly's best noise reduction yet, crazy good stereo sound for calls, media, and music, ultra comfortable headband, and all-day use with up to 19 hours of talk time. Now let's talk about the Poly Studio P5 specifications. The Poly Studio P5 is a 1080p web camera. It uses USB, and it says that it is a small USB size camera, but yet powerful device that features 1080p technology with low light compensation, which means, and I'm actually curious to see, if this camera has the ability to handle low light compensation and color correction, it is probably going to be pretty epic. Specifications for the Poly Studio P5 1080p webcam are small and portable, integrated privacy shutter, it's tripod ready so it has a mount, simple for IT to manage with Poly Lens software, it's got 1080p resolution with a 4x digital zoom, directional microphone clearly capturing your voice. However, I personally would recommend that anybody using a webcam of any sort, whether it's the Poly Studio P5 or other webcam, use a headset because webcam cameras are usually not that great. It says it has automatic low light compensation and brilliant colors, USB connection to wireless headset adapter, and it says that it works with any video apps such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom meetings, Starleaf, and many more. Okay, so the Poly Sync 20 is a speakerphone that provides clear audio for professional users by allowing them to connect their laptop via USB dongle or their mobile device via Bluetooth and enjoy HD audio and noise cancellation. So we've just confirmed that this does have Bluetooth. So as you guys remember, also I showed you it comes with the USB adapter, but it also has USB-A, but also does say online that you can get this in USB-C configurations also. It says the Poly Sync 20 is Zoom certified and available in a Microsoft Teams version as well. The Poly Sync 20 has a smart multi-microphone array and a high-end speaker. It features a programmable button that allows users to program play, pause, music, last number redial, and voice assistant based on your preferences. The Sync 20 also includes a status bar that is visible even from far away so that anyone in the area will know when you are on an active call. It also has an approximate 20-hour battery life that you can use to charge also your mobile device. So it sounds like that you can actually somehow plug your mobile phone into this device and also use it as a portable charger, and that is impressive. Furthermore, Poly Sync 20 speakerphone features are included too, but not excluding, enjoy remarkable sound from meetings and music, reduce echo and noise so everyone hears you clearly. It's very slim and portable so you can take it anywhere. So that concludes my honest unboxing and first impressions, first look and review of the Poly work from home kit. Tell me what you guys think. For those of you who are watching this video and you work from home and you use something like a webcam or a Bluetooth or wireless headset or a speakerphone or whatever it may be, tell me what you think about this kit. Would you use it? What is your honest thoughts about it? I'm going to have the actual price to the individual components as well as the kit because there's a lot of different categories of pricing for this. So just bear with me in that regard because this comes in so many different configurations, and sometimes the work from home kit, based on what you find, comes with the Voyager Focus 2. Sometimes it comes with another headset that is kind of like a go over your ears, almost like an earbuds on crack type configuration, but it usually almost always comes with this webcam, and then sometimes I've seen it with different variations of speakerphones from Poly, but this is the variation of the kit that was sent to me. Again, I'll have links in the description below for you guys to see pricing of the actual kit as well as the individual components, and you can pick and choose what you either want to purchase or what you want to see and learn more about the technical specs on from there below. But if you found this video interesting or informative, go ahead and show us some love and support by hitting that like button right now while you're watching this video. Also, don't forget you're watching the #1 channel on YouTube on all things on business phone and internet service related tips, tricks, and educational videos and advice to help you make the best buying decisions when searching for hardware and services for your business. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you're notified when we release new videos and you don't miss any of our new content. As always, this is Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, your go-to guy for the best deals on business phone and internet service in the United States. I'll catch you guys again in the next video.